Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn coding for data science. First, select a primary programming language such as Python or R. Python is often preferred for its versatility. Next, build a strong foundation in mathematics, including statistics and linear algebra, which are crucial for understanding algorithms. Finally, set up your coding environment, installing necessary libraries like NumPy and Pandas to begin your practical work. This initial setup is key. Once your foundation is solid, focus on mastering essential coding skills. Learn to manipulate data efficiently using libraries like Pandas, which is vital for cleaning and transforming datasets. Practice creating insightful visualizations with tools such as Matplotlib or Seaborn to communicate your findings clearly. Then, dive into machine learning, understanding how to apply algorithms for tasks like prediction and classification. These skills are fundamental. The best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Start building small, focused projects that allow you to apply your coding and data science skills to real-world problems. Consider participating in online coding challenges or hackathons. These provide excellent opportunities to test your knowledge under pressure. Collaborating with others also offers valuable insights and helps refine your problem-solving approach. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Data science is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is crucial. Explore advanced topics such as deep learning or natural language processing to expand your expertise. Always stay updated with the latest tools and techniques by reading articles and following industry leaders. Leverage online courses, official documentation, and vibrant communities for ongoing support and to deepen your understanding. This commitment ensures long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.